Jai Srimanarayana. 17th sloka of 11th chapter of Srimad Bhagavad Gita. Please repeat. Kiritinam Gadinam Chakrinancha Tejorasim सर्वतो दीप्तिमन्तं पश्यामि त्वां दुर्निरीक्षं समन्तात् दीप्तानलार्कद्युतिम् अप्रमेयम् ॐ Sri Krishna Paramatma's divine universal form Visvarupam is like a mass of blazing radiant glory. It is immeasurable and beyond any conception of imagination. Visualize that Sri Krishna Paramatma's divine Visvarupam has so many ornaments like Chakrayudham, Gada, Kiritam, Senkham, so many divine weapons also. Imagine that Krishna Paramatma is everywhere in this entire cosmos. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita, Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending you to surrender to Him alone. Krishna Paramatma says, "Come to me, surrender to me alone, do not cry. Mamekam Saranam Vraja Masuchaha." Now you must respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma within your bhavana following these lines. Ho Krishna, Ho Srimanarayana, I realize that your divine universal form is immeasurable and beyond any conception of my imagination. Ho Krishna, Ho Srimanarayana, your divine Visvarupam has mass of radiant blazing glory. Ho Krishna, Ho Srimanarayana, help me visualize that there are so many divine ornaments and weapons like Chakrayudham, Senkham, Kiritam, Gada, so many ornaments with your divine universal form. Ho Krishna, Ho Srimanarayana, I shall always attempt to understand and visualize your presence everywhere in this entire cosmos. Krishna, I shall surrender to you alone. I shall not cry. Srimanarayana, Karishye Vachanam Tava, I shall obey your orders. Please help me act according to your heart. Sarvam Sri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Srimanarayana. Now let us learn Srimad Bhagavatam. Namaskaram to Srimad Bhagavatam. Nigamakalpataror galitam phalam Sukhamukhadamrutadrava sanyutam Pibata Bhagavatam rasamalayam Muhuraho rasika bhuvi bhavukaha. Namaskaram to Sri Sukha Yogendra. Yam pravrajantamanupeta krityam Dvaipayano virahakatara ajuhava Putreti tanmayataya taravobhineduhu Tam sarvabhuta hrudayam munimanatosmi. Namaskaram to Naranarayana, Chaturmukha Brahma, Saraswati Devi, Vyasa Maharshi. Narayanam Namaskritya Naram Chaiva Narottamam Devim Saraswatim Vyasam Tato Jayam Udirayet. Srimad Bhagavatamo 10th Skandham, Dasama Skandham, 169th day. Suta Maharshi giving his discourse to Savanaka and other Maharshis, saying that, O Maharshis, Sri Sukayogindra teaching Srimad Bhagavatam to Parikshin Narendra, saying that, O Parikshin Narendra, Yasoda Devi calling Balarama and Krishna, O my dear children, you have been playing for long time, please come. All of your body got muddy, you have to come, take bath, and then you have to eat. Then you can again play with your friends if you want. And also today, Janma Rukshante Adya Bhavati. Today it is your birthday. You have to celebrate it. Viprebhyo Dehigaha Suchihi. You have to do Godanam to Brahmanas. That is why come quickly and do Snanam. Look at them, look at your friends. Pasya pasya vayasyamste matrum rushnan svalankrutan. All your friends went to home and their mothers gave them bath and decorated them with so many ornaments. Look at them. That is why you also please come and take bath and then you can eat. Like that, Itham Yasoda Tamasesha Sekharam. She is calling Krishna, saying that Krishna, your body got muddy. Who is this Krishna? Sriman Narayana Sarvesvara, the one who is the highest state of the purity, cleanliness, and for all auspiciousness. He is an abode. Such Paramatma now growing there as Krishna. Yasoda Devi, with outpouring so much of affection and love, calling Krishna, please come. And then Haste Gruhitva Saharamamachyutam. She held Krishna's hand and bringing home. And then Nitva Svavatam. She gave bath to Krishna. Krutavati Adha Udayam. She put on beautiful garments to Krishna. She put on beautiful ornaments to Krishna. She fed Krishna. Like that she did all those things to Krishna. What a great amount of fortune this Nanda and Yasoda has. Whereas Devaki Vasudeva, though Devaki Devi gave birth, they did not get this kind of great amount of fortune. Like that Sri Sukayogindra teaching. What happens next we will learn tomorrow. Om Shri Krishna Parabrahmane Namaha. Om Asmad Gurubhyo Namaha. Mukundamala. Krishna Rakshatuno Jagatraya Guruhu. Krishnam Namasyamyaham. Krishne Namarashatravo Vinihataha. Krishnaya Tasmai Namaha. Krishnadeva Samuthitam Jagadidam. Krishnasya Dasosmyaham. Krishne Tishtati Visvametadakhilam. He Krishna Samrakshamam. Srimad Bhagavad Gita, 11th chapter, 17th sloka. Kiritinam gadinam chakrinancha tejorasim sarvato deeptimantam pasyamitvam durnirikshyam samantat deeptanalarkadyutim aprameyam. Kiritinam gadinam chakrinancha tejorasim sarvato deeptimantam పశ్యామి త్వాం దుర్నిరీక్ష్యం సమంతాత్ దీప్తానలార్కద్యుతిమప్రమేయం. శ్రీమన్నారాయణ కరిష్యే వచనం తవ. సర్వం శ్రీకృష్ణార్పణమస్తు. జై శ్రీమన్నారాయణ.